Tired of Marvel Rivals feeling more like Marvel Slideshow? Let's boost those frames. First, dive into your in-game settings. Hit Escape, then click the cog icon for settings and head to the Graphics tab. Lowering your overall graphics quality is the fastest fix. Start by changing this from epic or high to medium or even low. See if that makes a difference before tweaking individual settings. Now, for more control, adjust individual settings. Anti-aliasing, shadows, and effects quality are the biggest FPS killers. Reduce these first. Make sure your display mode is set to full screen. This ensures Marvel Rivals has exclusive access to your graphics card, which can improve performance. Disable VSync unless you're experiencing screen tearing. If you need VSync, try adaptive VSync if your graphics card supports it. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause major performance issues. Get the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD's website. And that's it. Relaunch Marvel Rivals and enjoy smoother gameplay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Marvel Rivals tips and tricks. See you on the battlefield.